Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to share with you how to change display language in your Realme 6i. So let's take a look how to do that. You might be recently buy this Realme 6i and you are wondering how to change your own language. Like for example, it might be English and you would like to change it to your mother tongue, or it might be by mistakenly make it to some other language which is you don't know and you would like to make that phone to your English language. First one, you can see my phone is not completely English and I would like to change it to other language. In order to do that, you need to go in your device settings section. After click over there, scroll all the way down and we're going to find here something say language and region. After click over there, we're going to see the second one, which is languages, and here we're going to see the all available language in around the world or in Xiaomi dictionary. For example, I would like to choose this one and then I'm going to click here done. And now when you click that, it's going to give you that would you like to set or change your language. I'm going to click here change to Latin or Lithuanian some language. Now you can see my phone completely changed it to Lithuanian. So why I had did these things, actually I also want to share with you, maybe by mistakenly you had changed your language English to other language, and it's also make you very confused to how you can return back to English. This is very you need to use some trick to change the language to default language English. In order to do that, we need to go to swipe up just like this, and we're going to see this is the gear icon or setting icon. We need to click over there. After click over there, scroll down, and then we're going to see here something say A, which is the language and something English we saw previously, language and religions. You can see this is the A, so we have to follow this icon. After they click over there, and then you need to choose the second one. Here you can see it's writing Kalba, even this is the language actually English. So I'm going to choose here this. From here you can see we're going to see all the language. For example, I would like to make this English. So I'm going to choose English United States and I'm going to click here apply, and this will give you the confirmation option. So I'm going to click here this icon. Now you can see I had successfully changed my phone language Lithuanian to English, even I don't know Lithuanian language. So this is how you can easily change language in your Realme 6i. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.